Good morning, guys. Yeah, it's already 9:31. I actually had already my coffee. I have this ice cream. This I bought it yesterday. When Inigo and Erickson come here yesterday, they bring pork steak and they cook it. While cooking, they asked me to buy ice cream. This is what I bought. I also bought this one. So this is like our dessert yesterday. I didn't able to show you because I was in a hurry, because Inigo will need to work by 2 o'clock. I'm not really a big fan of ice cream. Yeah, I just had my lunch. It's chicken nuggets and rice. Outside is very windy but hot. The temperature is hot. Look at that. And here you see that it's more than 30 degrees. Yeah, and Inigo is coming to pick me up. We are going to Boat Harbor. You know, this is coming from Bong and Maricar. They're the couple, the family that I met in Oak Pacific Blue Hotel. They are a big group. The one that gave me Filipino food. And they also gave me this Armani Exchange t-shirt. This is expensive for me. And you know, I'm trying to save it because it's Armani. But today I am going to wear it. Look at that. It's yeah, it's Armani Exchange. Awesome, it's just right. Oh, I'm not going to wear it today. I'm going to wear it on some good occasion. Not today. Yeah, we are now here in the car of Inigo. Yeah. And we're going to Coles. Yeah, we are now here in Salamander Bay. And we are going to buy something. Yeah, I noticed that when I get out of the house, it's really hot outside here. You know, I am taking this opportunity to grab this so that when I'm on my bike, I will not need to carry this big. You know, this heat is similar to the heat in Dubai. Also the heat in last time we went to Sydney. Yeah, we are now here. This is Boat Harbor. You've seen me here before, and that is how it is in there. Yeah, there are many people. They are swimming and family in here. The temperature is very hot today, similar to Dubai. It's just a little hotter in Dubai, but here is also hot. That's cool. Inigo is a little far away in the park, that black car, and he asked me to press this unlock, and it's now open. Amazing. I actually brought extra shirt and extra shorts, but I don't feel like going to the water. Yeah, I don't like the sticky feeling right after coming from the water. There is a shower in here, but yeah, I still don't feel like. You know, this sunglass, this is like a cinematic. When you're wearing it, looks like a cinematic movie.
Can we see it? Wow! It's like watching movie.
And there are so many flies at the moment. Look at that girl is climbing up the rocks. Oh, Divina and the boyfriend Riley, if I'm not mistaken, they went to buy snacks, something for us to eat. Ilalangaw ka na kahit dami lang sa likod mo nakadikit. Yeah, there's so much flies in here. Look at Inigo. He's selling fish.
No, it's like in a penitentiary.
Yeah.
In every Holy Week.
Yeah, penitentiary is sacrificing. Yeah, the fly is really annoying, right?
No, that's the flat.
Yeah, if you can see all these rocks, these are in memory of Mr. Stephen Rogers. 8/11/1932 to 31/8/2007. We began this cairns of prayer called Ebenezer, God's Help. We invite you to place a rock and say a prayer. Alright, it's a lot. It means that already a lot of people put rocks in here. Put these rocks in there. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the flies. Yeah, I can hear them. They're flying around my face, everybody's face. Even Inigo is using that to fly away the fly. Okay, yeah, we are now home. Yeah, that's Divina. Divina was here since she was 5 years old. So she grew up here in Australia, but she still speaks, she still understand Tagalog. And Inigo was here. He eats one of this meat pie, rice. Yeah, I'm going to organize that later, and I'm going to sleep first. The time now is already 5:20. I want to sleep. I'm feeling sleepy.